Hey guys, this is Eric with Eric and Nikki, and today we're gonna show you how we bought a $1 million warehouse for 7,500 bucks and how you can follow this strategy to buy your first commercial building. As always, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and stay around to the very end where we're gonna break down all the financials of this building and exactly what it looks like on how we purchased it and what the return's gonna be. All right guys, as you can see behind me here, we've got our big 8,000 square foot commercial building. We also bought a 1,000 square foot and another 1,500 square foot. So we got these all for $750, which I thought was a great deal. We did use hard money to take it down. We didn't have any upfront cost except for 1 point. So we're in these buildings for 7,500 bucks, which is absolutely insane right now. So come on, I'm gonna show you what we're doing with each one and kind of where it's gonna come. So our first building here is about 1,000 feet. We ended up partnering with a guy that was gonna buy this and use it as his office. So I did a 50-50 partnership on all 3 of these buildings with my guy, Patrick. And Patrick is taking this building as his own. So he's gonna refi that out for 150,000 of the 750. So we would only have, what is that, 600 left for the other 2 buildings. He's put about 15,000 so far in this building. I feel like this is gonna appraise somewhere between 2 and 225, and he'll have a really good space to use as his office. Again, he'll be in that building right there for $0, nothing at all, which is why BRRRR strategies work on commercial just like they do on residential. So let's go to the next one. So as you can see guys, this one's a little bit more beat up. Foundation issues, windows busted out up top. But the thing is the land that this is sitting on is worth just as much as the house. So we may even tear this sucker down and make it one of our parking lots. Right now we've got this on the market for 200,000. And if somebody wants to buy it, great. If they don't, that's fine too. We can fix that up. But if we take the 150 and let's say that we sell this for another 150 or something like that, then that gets us down to 450,000 for 8,000 square feet in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, which is absolutely insane. And that, again, I keep saying over and over, that is why buying with hard money, refining out, even in the commercial space, is so valuable. Come on, we'll show you what we did to the big building. This is my big building. I'm gonna give you guys a quick walkthrough. We completely redid the electric. We are adding an extra space, and then I'm also having my office upstairs. So we do have another 3,000 square feet to rent, but we've already rented 1,000 feet for 1,800 bucks. I'm paying 1,800 for my office upstairs, and then we're hoping to rent the remaining 6,000 square feet once everything's done. So come on, I'll take you a look through. So as you can see, walking through this building, everything is pretty rough, but we've started with electrical. So we redid and made sure all the electrical was good. We also did HVAC, and then we're gonna come forward and do the concrete floors as well down here. Just on this floor in this area is 2,700 square feet. You have the same amount upstairs. Building out the office that we talked about, so they're actually gonna be a soap shop that is renting from us over here. So like I said, it'd be about 1,800 bucks a month. We feel like that was pretty good. But as you can see, like all this still needs to be updated. We got some other things we need to take out. A lot of work to get this updated. Right now we're sitting at about 18,000 so far in this building of our cash before we do the refi. We're expecting this building when it's fully leased to be worth about 950 to $1 million, and we get all of our money back plus some on the refi. Come on, I'll show you a little bit more. So we've got a kitchen that we're gonna update. It's a little dark in here, but you can see the cabinets. We'll get new appliances in here. Again, made sure all the electrical work, and we're gonna replace the ceiling tiles in here to make sure this is a good space kitchen-wise. If you're a fan of drawings, we found this creepy drawing in the back of our warehouse. This was covered up by some wood that was on the wall. Go figure, man, but the stuff you find in real estate. So come on, I'll show you upstairs. You can see how big this is. This is another 2,700 square feet. We're thinking about using this for a real estate meetup, having a space for all of our real estate investors to come, network, everything like that. But as you can see, there is no HVAC in this space. We'd have to put an HVAC in. We did get all the lights working. It's quite a big undertaking to get all this done. So new floors, probably update, paint a little bit, and make this a really cool meeting space. So come on, I'll show you my office. So guys, I'm kind of walk you through. So there's this office in here. We've got this office, one in there, and one more in the back. So we've got 4 offices up here. This is gonna be our office for now. And again, I don't like leasing from other people. I use this as an opportunity to get us some office space where I own the building and I lease to myself. So I still get to write the lease off, but because I own the building, I'm still making income on that as well. So again, we replaced all the lights with LEDs, replaced all the ceiling tiles. We're getting ready to do spray foam insulation in the ceiling, and then we're gonna come back and do a really good coat of paint throughout everything, so it's really finished look. Again, it's not a huge space up here, but everything works. Everything looks pretty good, so we'll see how it goes. We're also thinking about making some of this space our YouTube studio, so we'll let you know how that goes as well. But in wrapping up on this video, we bought this building for $750,000. Right now, we are into these 3 buildings for about 50 grand. One will be sold off. We're hoping the other will be sold off, maybe not. In the end, we feel like just this building is gonna be worth about $1 million once it's leased up. Feel really good about that. And as always, that is why the BRRRR method on any strategy works really, really well. So stay tuned for our updates. We'll always be posting on Flip This Together Instagram, flipthis.together on TikTok. Follow us and we will show you what we're continuing to do with this building. As always, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave us a comment.